Welcome to our exciting outdoor adventure. Today, we will go on an exciting journey full of laughter, fun, and unexpected situations. Participants appear on the screen ready for adventure with various props, skateboards, bananas, and others. We'll start our adventure with water activities. Participants will ride skateboards on the water, testing their skills and balance. The camera cuts to the participants' funny moments, falls, and failed attempts, accompanied by laughter. Now it's time for some banana fun. Participants will play with this exotic fruit, creating funny situations and jokes. And finally, our team will go into nature where new adventures and fun await them. Come with us and enjoy these incredible moments. The music becomes more energetic and the host takes the audience on an exciting journey. Don't miss our outdoor adventures. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated on new releases.